This is the track madone generation 9 SL9, and as you can see, it's extremely comfortable bike to ride. The 9 Velo wheels are exceptionally comfortable. Same thing with the Pirelli Zero tires. They're race tires, and I'm set up in a staggered with a 28 in the front and the 30 in the back. You can see the weather's beautiful. I'm using the Hoover in a dolly track setup, and it is running quite well. It looks like it's keeping the distance and it's far away and a high position. So I'd strongly recommend the Hoover over any other droid for cycling and for content creation.